now in the third part, or in the next part, I want to go through the fourth theme of our sequence. And there we want to touch in a way, what that the autonomic nervous system and the vegetative nervous system, they create a mood where the human being really can, incarnate, can find a body which allows the human being to be human, and not only an animal which functions. I don't mean only an animal, but that this sinking in with what we experience as our being can take place. And it, in a way, it's a sort of holy mood taking place. And this we want to address in a way that we speak about the musicality that a cosmic being brings with it. And this I will work with you a little bit more now, and to just show you once again this picture. This is the figure of the solemnity. And what I want to show you, I don't know if you can see all of it, but the left arm is pointing towards above. But the veil has very much the impression of, something is trending downwards. In the other arm, it's not very clear, but you can have the imagination. It's not the same way of coming down this veil, which is at the right arm, which is on your left side when you look, but it's more broad towards the other one. And this, I would like, this mood, I would like to bring afterwards. Well, that's where we are aiming to really dive into this mood, but we walk this path on a musical level, with a musical quality, which stands for there is harmony which allows the human being to come in. And this gives the body its meaning, and that makes it strong. A house where you live in is much more alive than a house where nobody lives in. That's the circle we want to achieve. Great. Please take the space you feel at home. You feel well in your surrounding, in yourself. Feel your center. And then from there, open up a little bit and feel the clavicles that, they are carried like the roof, and then let the hands go down. But still feel the clavicles, the shoulder blades, like the roof of a house, who care for the house. And then make a step forward with your left foot and a step to the right with your right foot. Feel your feet, your hips, your clavicles, and they want to go forward. They bring you forward on the toes. And then the lower arms pick it up. The upper arms say, we support you. The lower arms, they thank you, now I can fly. The hands, they can start as we steer that everything goes well. The fingers weave through the air. It's so nice, so beautiful. The fingertips, they see where you want to go to. And your heart gets a connection to what's waiting for you. You let this come over you. You bring your right foot back to your center. And slowly, this impression where you have arrived can sink down towards the earth. But when you do it very carefully, you feel that you yourself grow at the same time. Great. We do it one more time, and please use your left foot. It's your inner being which wants to go forward. And it's not halfway aside, it's really, I want to go forward. I, my left side, go forward. And the right foot, the right legs, takes you out of your center. It takes a risk. I go forward. And then the upper arm, the lower arms pick it up. Upper arms, lower arms, hands, fingers, fingertips. Arrive. Receive. Bring the right foot back. You are in the center. And like in a door hole, just let this flow come down, silent. Sense what's streaming downwards and sense yourself standing there. Great. Just breathe, relax. And maybe a second breath. Go back a little bit that we have space to make our steps, and if you don't have enough space, don't hesitate to change direction in between. It's long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long, and it's just meant as a relaxed way or the relaxating way of walking. It's a sort of letting go. Long, and then very short, just next to each other. Short, short. Next step, long, short, short, long, and another long. And then practice arriving. We walk in order to arrive. So that's the aim. When we walk back, please take your time. How does it feel like to arrive? Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Take your time, observe. I arrive. Bring your hands in front of your heart. And remember, when we let the arms just rise before, how it felt to move the lower arms. And just, yes, I'm supported, I can open up. And I return. I'm not flying away. I'm just caring that everything goes well. Open up and just stay in your lower arms. And come in again. And open up. Feel your lower arms gently and come back. Arrive in your center and let go. If you remember the Venus gesture, it has also a lot to do with the quality of the Venus. And now what we try to do is to keep this caring quality alive in our lower arms while we walk the rhythm. And the only exercise or what we practice is to stay relaxed and not get confused what to have to do with my arms or feet. Just we want to arrive and we have some fun in between. So the arms are in front of your heart. The arms may start, the legs follow. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. And take your time. Let the lower arms bring you to your center. Breathe, let go, and check if you've arrived. or if you got lost, then you have still time to arrive now. And there's no order how to move the arms connected to the order of the steps. You will see I do it differently each time, and the less they both influence each other, the better. Yeah? We try it backwards. Start at your heart and stay in your heart. Lower arms, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long, and arrive. Breathe. We do it one more time, forward and backward, just for fun. And maybe you notice the last step, one easily tends to not doing the last step, but just to close it. But really try. It's a long, long. Yeah? That helps you to just be in your body and stay with your arms. Have nice feelings. Be in your heart. Sense your lower arms. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Arrive, even now, in your whole body. And then again, lower arms, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long. Take your time to arrive. Breathe. And slowly sit down on your seat. What's the feeling in your body now compared to how it was after the O exercises? What's your first impression? How do you experience your hands? How your feet? And never mind if the feet are cold or the hands are cold and one is warm, the other is cold. Just notice, hey, funny, it's different. When you slightly, slowly turn your head, how is it held? Is it easy to move, or is there lots of, like sort of substance around it? How does it feel to slowly turn your head just a few millimeters left and right? And still, how do your arms feel like? Did it change to how it was a minute ago? Do you still remember? You never know if you remember right, but just how might it have been a minute ago? How is it now?